Knowing that you have access to rapid cash might be a game changer in situations where unforeseen needs emerge. A quick option is provided by same-day cash advance apps that give loans of $250 without requiring a credit check. These applications are ideal for people who are experiencing financial problems. In the next video, we will discuss 5 applications that can assist you in acquiring immediate dollars at the precise moment when you require them the most. Number 1. MoneyLion, your financial ally. MoneyLion is an all-encompassing financial platform that provides a variety of services, one of which is the provision of personal loans that do not require a credit check. Through the usage of their Instacash function, customers are able to obtain fast access to up to $250 without having to undergo a credit check. How MoneyLion works. Sign up and download the file. The MoneyLion app may be downloaded, an account can be created, and the app can be linked to your bank account. Examine your eligibility. MoneyLion will examine your financial activities in order to evaluate whether or not you are qualified to receive an Instacash advance. If you are qualified, you have the ability to request up to $250, which will be transferred into your account immediately. When you receive your next paycheck, the amount of your repayment will be taken from the bank account that is linked to your account. Pros. The credit check is not necessary. Prompt permission and money are provided. The availability of more financial instruments and resources. Cons. There is a cost for membership for certain features. Number 2. Bridget, bridging financial gaps. An app called Bridget was developed with the purpose of assisting users in bridging the gap between their paychecks. Instant cash advances of up to $250 are made available without the need for a credit check to be performed. How Bridget works. Connect your account. In order to conduct an analysis, you will need to connect your primary bank account to the Bridget app. Checking your eligibility. Bridget will evaluate your spending and income to decide whether or not you are qualified to receive a loan advance. There is a possibility that Bridget will automatically transfer up to $250 to your account prior to your next payday if you are approved for automatic advances. The amount that you borrowed will be deducted from your account on the day that you receive your paycheck on a regular basis. Pros. There will be no credit check. In order to avoid overdrafts, automatic advances are made. It is possible to extend the deadlines. Cons. Premium features are available for a monthly subscription charge. Number 3. Dave, banking for humans. Dave is not merely an application for obtaining cash advances, rather, it is a fully loaded mobile banking platform. It provides customers with the opportunity to obtain cash advances of up to $250 without resorting to a credit check during the process. How Dave works. How to connect your account. When you use the Dave app, link your bank account to it. Aid with budgeting. Dave assists users in budgeting and avoiding overdrafts from occurring. Users are able to request cash advances of up to $250 without having their credit checked under any circumstances. This means that the money that you borrowed will be withdrawn from your account on the day that you receive your paycheck. Pros. There will be no credit check. Support for the use of predictive budgeting. Banking without any fees. Cons. Premium features must be paid for on a monthly subscription basis. Number 4. Earnin. Get paid the instant you work. Earnin is an application that gives users the ability to access their earned money prior to the time that they are paid. The service does not conduct credit checks and provides a novel approach in which consumers determine the amount of money that is appropriate to pay for the service. How Earnin works. Time monitoring. Within the Earnin app, users are able to monitor and record their working hours. Calculation of earnings. Earnin is a tool that determines the amount of money that users have earned but have not yet received. Access to cash advances. Users have the ability to seek cash advances based on the earnings they have computed. Those who use the app have the option of leaving a tip for the service it provides, but doing so is completely voluntary. Pros. Without any fees or interest. There is a paradigm of pay what you think is fair. To prevent overdrafts, the Balance Shield feature is available. Cons. The connecting of the bank and the time tracking systems is required. Use history is used to determine access restrictions. Number 5. Daily Pay, empowering financial freedom. Daily Pay is a platform for financial well-being that gives employees the ability to access their earned income prior to the time that they are scheduled to get their paychecks. Instantaneous financial relief is provided by the fact that it does not require a credit check. How Daily Pay works. Integration of employees. Daily Pay makes partnerships with companies, and employees have the ability to integrate the app with their place of employment. And wage tracking. The application monitors the wages that employees earn while they are on the job. Wage access. Before the planned payday, employees have the ability to access a portion of the wages that they have received previously. The amount that was accessed is deducted from the employee's paycheck on the day that they get their paycheck. Pros. Obtaining rapid access to earned money does not require a credit check. Integration with other employers that is seamless. Financial education resources. Cons. The availability is contingent on the cooperation of employers. A number of fees are associated with salaries that are accessed. When it comes to the responsible use of apps that offer same-day cash advances, avoid the temptation to borrow more money than is required by limiting your borrowing to only what you require. Lending money in a responsible manner makes payback much simpler. In order to avoid unpleasant surprises during the repayment process, it is important to familiarize yourself with the conditions and any costs that are related with the loan. Verify the repayment conditions. Make sure you are aware of how and when the amount that you have borrowed will be automatically withdrawn from your account once you have borrowed it. Investigate alternatives before turning to cash advance applications. It is important to investigate other choices, such as speaking with creditors or investigating local aid programs. Monitor your finances. In order to maintain control of your budget, it is important to examine your bank statements on a regular basis and monitor your overall financial health. In the event of a financial emergency, same-day cash advance applications that provide loans of $250 without requiring a credit check can be a blessing in disguise. However, in order to avoid becoming caught up in a cycle of debt, appropriate use is absolutely necessary. Each of the apps Moneylion, Bridget, Dave, Earnin, and Daily Pay comes with its own set of features and benefits that are exclusive to it. Determine which one best fits your requirements, and then make strategic use of it to handle any current problems you may have with your finances.